Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella and today we have some very important news. Upcoming next month on July 4th, also Independence Day, there is going to be a huge strike. So if you're a rideshare driver, there's a worldwide gig worker app strike, whether you work for Amazon Flex, Lyft, Uber, Shipt, or any of these gig companies that are in other places around the world. There will be a strike for 60 days starting July 4th where you do not work from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Taking these 3 hours off every day for 60 days, that's a total of 180 hours. And this is how we're gonna make a real change. So the reason why gig workers are gonna be going on strike for this long is because the gig economy is absolutely terrible right now. I'm sure you already know, like, if you're already a gig worker, which you probably are, which is why you're watching this video, you already know that with the recession, the economy, inflation, all of that, like, everything is just really taking a huge hit on gig workers, and all of these companies really aren't doing much to try to help their workers. Like, yes, a lot of them are giving a surcharge gas fee of like maybe 40 or 50 cents per ride, but that's not nearly enough to help compensate towards paying for these insanely high gas prices. So the reason they want to do this is to hopefully get a higher pay. A lot of these companies are like multi-million-dollar companies and they should be able to afford to pay their workers a little bit more. A ton of gig workers have been complaining that they don't make nearly as much money as they used to a few years ago, and they're working way more hours. A lot of the times you kind of have to rely on tips, but even then, like, a lot of people, like, it doesn't really matter how good of a job you do, there's still going to be people out there that just don't want to tip because either they don't really have the money to tip extra, or, you know, they just don't think about it, or it's just not something that they like to do because they don't want to spend extra money. Every little strike and every person that goes on strike with the rest of the world really starts to add up, and hopefully this will send a huge message to all of these gig companies because they need to know that their workers deserve more, deserve better pay. They should just be supported more, because if you think about it, none of these gig apps would be anything without the gig workers. So hopefully they'll start to understand that and we'll really start to make some changes ASAP. So remember, July 4th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. there will be no driving for 60 days. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I love to hear your guys' opinions, and if you want to see more videos from us, be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.